Welcome to our beginner's guide to JSON syntax. In this video, we'll explore the basics of JSON and how it's used in programming. So, what exactly is JSON? Simply put, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, a lightweight data interchange format. JSON data structures are composed of objects and arrays. Objects store key-value pairs, while arrays store ordered collections of values. In a JSON object, keys are used to identify the value associated with them. Keys must be strings, while values can be any of the following: strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, or objects. To create a JSON object, you can use the following syntax: key value. To create a JSON array, you can use the following syntax. JSON objects can be nested inside other JSON objects or arrays. This is useful for storing complex data structures. When working with JSON, it's essential to avoid invalid syntax. This can include missing quotes, mismatched brackets, or incorrect key-value pairs. Once you have a valid JSON string, you can parse it into a JavaScript object using the JSON parse method. When working with JSON, it's essential to avoid common mistakes such as missing quotes, mismatched brackets, or incorrect key-value pairs. Now that you've learned the basics of JSON syntax, here are some next steps to take your knowledge further. Here are some resources to help you learn more about JSON syntax and working with JSON. That's it for this beginner's guide to JSON syntax. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the basics of JSON.